Have you ever noticed how quiet a person becomes when they are fighting a battle that no one else can see? We all meet people who smile on the outside but are hurting on the inside. Life becomes heavy sometimes, and even the strongest person can feel weak. In those moments, what they need most is not advice, but someone who simply stays. When a person is going through a difficult time, they don't always ask for help. Sometimes they feel scared, ashamed, or completely alone. But your small act of kindness, your presence, your listening ear, your support can become the light they need. Leaving someone alone in their hard time makes their pain even deeper, but standing beside them gives them courage. Your words can bring hope, your presence can give strength, and your support can remind them that better days are still possible. Always remember, kindness doesn't cost anything, but it can mean everything to someone who is struggling. Maybe you can't solve their problem, maybe you can't take away their pain, but you can be there. You can hold their hand, listen to their heart, and remind them that they are not alone. So, whenever you see someone losing hope or fighting their battles silently, be the person who stays. Be the reason they don't give up. Because true humanity is not shown in happy moments, it is shown in how we stand with others in their darkest day. Thank you for listening. Stay kind, stay human, and if you haven't subscribed my channel, first go and subscribe it.